Homemade chicken cordon bleu with a honey dijon mustard sauce. Let me show you how to make it. That's how we make homemade chicken cordon bleu with a honey Dijon mustard sauce. I don't know, sometimes I impress myself. Let's get this bite.
This looks really pretty.
I started to impress myself. Look, she does not like mustard.
I don't like mustard.
This is a mustard sauce. We'll see.
We'll see, but this looks delicious. The kitchen smells really good. And the presentation, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10. The mustard. Overall, it's really good. I don't love the mustard. The chicken is really juicy. The cheesy, what's that, ham? Cheese and ham, the cordon bleu.
Swiss cheese and ham. Yep.
Yeah. That's delicious. Flavor's there. Chicken is cooked really well. I don't love the sauce on top.
The sauce on top is amazing.
I'm not a mustard girl. I'm not a mustard girl.
That is amazing. I never had. I'm used to them little frozen things you pop in the oven for an hour. No. No.
That times 50.
That sauce. Woo! Go make it.